friendship. Business we can do. I could do business with Wale and not necessarily have to be friends with him or talk back to back. But we actually have a great time when we hang out. And I see somebody who's extremely sincere. Even when I know he's wrong, he stands by it. You know, that's what he believes in.
He believes in it.
I don't agree with it, but he believes in it, and that's what he thinks, and he's going to say it. It comes as a shock compared to someone like me
because of your demeanor.
Yeah, my demeanor is different. You know, when I think I want to say something, I might do something about it. Might not say it, but I will do something about it. But he would say it. So we used to talk way back. I said, go and say it and I'll do it. Like, if somebody's messing up, I'll text him. You know me, if I go and say it's a problem. But you can say it and get away with it. So go and say it, and then I'll do the talking with the person. Because I like to sit down with people. He doesn't have the time to call you to sit down. He's going to blast you. And later, if you have to talk, then you talk. That has been him since. From time. And we were having a conversation yesterday. I think anything that happened between me and Shatta Wale, now when I reflect back to it, it was me wanting us to do something. We weren't able to do it. I got frustrated. It's not because of how he is. It's what we were supposed to do. So when now we're doing it, now, listen, even if you insult my mom, my dad...
You know how to handle it. So Shatta cannot come out and say, hey, Sarkodie,
no, you can't.
You won't be angry anymore.
No, but if you play back... I was never angry at what he has said something. Play back. Go back to advice, even the song I did. It was never, you said this about me, you did this, and no, it wasn't about that. It was the fact that we were having conversations about, let's say, even shooting Major Girl. Which we never had a video. That frustrates me.
Can you imagine?
These are the things that I frustrate. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't even make sense. That's my problem. So that's what frustrates me. It's not about what he's saying. That one, listen, Shatta Wale will tell you that his biggest fan of not the music, that side of him that people talk about is me.
Because he entertains you.
I go on TikTok and he's seriously, because I know he's not serious. He's not. Shatta will insult you shopsy tomorrow. And it's not serious. But the way his face will look, you take it very personal. So I'll laugh and record the video.
I'll send it to you.
So it's always been like that. The way we are talking is being like that since
it's
even
incredible.
At the bandana days before Shatta Wale. It's been like that. I've been the biggest fan of his freestyles. He used to do a lot of freestyles. We had a show called WhatsApp.
On radio.
No, WhatsApp, yes. So the same radio guy took that one on the streets.
Made it a show.
A show. There was a WhatsApp TV, WhatsApp something. We used to meet and freestyling. So I've always really loved Shatta Wale's creative work. So it's nothing like, we have to be cool because I'm Sarkodie because of Shatta Wale. No, if something doesn't work, I don't force it. You know, but I think naturally, and I barely